To share personal information safely, you can start a new message. And instead of using a regular email attachment to send that sensitive personal information, choose the Connectid Mail icon to open a Connectid Mail secure attachment. Choose Share Data, and then you can simply drag and drop files. This way you can safely send even things like passports and bank numbers, passwords. You can include a message to be sent within the encrypted folder, and then choose whether to allow downloads or send as view only. And besides the one-time password your recipient gets to access the personal data you send, you can add an extra layer of security with SMS verification. Now click Done to add the secure link to your email, and make sure you've already specified a recipient before adding the secure link to the email. Then you can add a subject and a brief message if you wish,